Big news today. Lots of socks have gone missing.
Yep, socks are popping up in funny places. Around the flowers, in the cupboards, even in the garden.
But what happens when socks lose their match or get a bit holly and old?
Oh no!
Do they disappear forever? Or are they getting ready for a comeback?
What a day, the sun is bright. Smiles and laughter feel so right. Trusty and Mona on the way, crafting a better world each day. Side by side, come and play, laugh and learn along the way. Trusty and Mona, join the fun. A new adventure has just begun.
Trusty, look at all these socks. Some are old, some are odd, all forgotten.
Mona, what does odd mean?
Odd just means the other sock is missing. Still a sock, just on its own. And being odd means you're one of a kind. And that's a pretty special thing to be.
So, even if you're old or odd, you're still useful.
Just because a sock is worn or alone doesn't mean it's the end. It could be the beginning of something amazing. And in today's episode, something very green.
Green? Like a frog?
Not exactly, Trusty. It's a plant pot.
A plant pot? That's brilliant. How did you do it?
With a little help from the magic hand, so of course. Let's find out.
Brrr.
To make our sock plant pot, we'll use a sock and an empty plastic bottle. First, we cut the plastic bottle as tall as we like. This will become the base for our plant. Now, we choose a sock.
Yippee!
Now, take your sock and gently pull it up from the bottom.
Huh, it's like dressing up a bottle.
Wiggle it around until it looks nice and smooth. When you are happy with the fit, trim off the extra bit of sock at the bottom. And voila!
Whoa!
You can use all sorts of things. Plastic bottles, cartons, tins, even a boring old plant pot. It's a fun way to give them a bit more color and make them look extra special. Look at them, Trusty. They used to hold feet, and now they hold flowers.
Same thing, really. Both a bit smelly sometimes. Whoa, look at that. An old sock turned into a plant pot. Ha, that's genius. I'll definitely think twice before throwing or donating my clothes too quickly.
That's the spirit. But did you know that donating clothes can sometimes cause problems?
Really? I thought I was helping.
And you are. But sometimes there's just too much. Charities can't keep up, and a lot of clothes end up in landfills.
Oh, wow. I had no idea. So what should we do instead?
Buy less, reuse more, and donate when it's truly helpful. Giving clothes a second life, like this sock plant pot, makes a real difference.
Got it. I'll think more about reusing first before donating. Maybe even start a new trend with odd socks. Who says they have too much? I'm going to start a sock party. Right, Mona, I've made up my mind. Mismatched socks are officially cool and I'm wearing them like a champ.
Yes, odd socks are in and waste is out.
And you know what else? I'm keeping all the leftover bits from all our craft projects. Buttons, ribbons, tiny fabric pieces, all of it.
Brilliant idea. Pop them in a little treasure box or bag and we'll save them up.
And make something epic with them.
Yes, but that's a craft for another day.
Bye!